Take a deep breath. Let the noise of the world fade away. Listen to the wisdom of silence. A young student went to a master and asked, "I want to know the truth of life." The master replied, "You can hear the sound of two hands clapping. Now show me the sound of one hand clapping." The student went away and listened to everything. He brought the master the sound of dripping water, the sound of wind, and the sound of an owl, but none was the sound of one hand. Finally, he stopped searching. He sat in deep meditation. He entered the state of true silence. He returned to the master and said nothing. He simply bowed. The master smiled and said, "You have heard it. True peace is not found in the sounds outside, but in the silence within. When you stop looking, you will find. When you are silent, you will hear the universe."